Hello everybody, welcome to the show. We are finally going to the shallows. I just wrapped up a couple videos actually. One yesterday on this side, one this morning starting in another place, another one this morning starting here, just top water on this side. But now this is a whole nother video, not a whole nother day. But guess what? We're going to try to put some luck into this hat that my son just made me. And we've had luck this morning. Now I missed a big one right down over there. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in front of this or not, but if you haven't checked out that video, about way up in there. Oh, bounced it off the old Giacomo. Number 4. Oh! Got him! Jesus! That was insane. I hesitated and waited. I did not yank on that thing first hit because he was all the way out of the water. My goodness. Trying to run us. Had to let off the trolling motor. He's all the way. Jeez. Oh! Spit it out, son of a... Oh boy, it was heartbreaking. No bananas today, but we're gonna go. I've been saving this shallow side. The storms have kind of come through, but there's still enough cloud cover. We're hoping to get on and stay on a bite over here before the sun actually pops out. And you know how it gets after a storm comes through, it can just shut off completely. So let's buckle up and hang on, because we're going to the shallow side with chatterbaits and worms, soft plastics, and we're going to get on it. We're not going fishing. Oh no. We're going catching. Let's go. Hope I catch a fish. There we go. That didn't take long. Not a big one. But it is a bass. Oh yeah. The jackhammer fell out of its mouth. That's a 3/8 ounce jackhammer. Way to get the party started. Let's go. Still kind of trying different chatterbaits. See if I can find one that works a little better than the other, color or size wise. But there we go. Nice little chunk. And so far we got a tie. 1 for 1. I think this color is definitely the best choice for this water. They love that color this year. There we go. Another little one. Oh, they're getting smaller. Come on now. They're getting smaller. That's 2 for the 1/2 ounce green and black. We'll go back to the white 3/8 ounce now. Going back to the white one. Oh, that was like a little bump. When I'm going to throw the worm. You guys have heard me also call it a backup bait. Oh man, got me a little too far up there. Right there. Throw that. Work it until it kind of gets stuck in the grass, but if you pull it usually lightly, it'll pop off. A lot of times that's where you'll get your fish. There we go. There we go. This week, especially if that bite's a little off, a lot of times you can find them with them search baits and then back up your numbers. Unfortunately, they're small, but we've definitely over the last few weeks have caught way more fish than we would have if we'd have just stuck with the main bait by going to this. And a lot of times it don't really matter. I've just kind of taken it upon myself to use this one, but backup bait can be a lot of different things. Might have to pull an old Z-Man original out of the retirement. There's one. As I say, Better be a fish. They're small though. It's weird. It's like the smaller ones are hitting the smaller white one. It's not really weird. I guess it makes sense, but it just has an overall, with the trailer mainly, smaller look to it, and it's tend to get in a smaller bite. Oh, that was definitely another hit. Dang it. Let's get a little worm right there. Definitely a little bump right there. Put the worm down. Now, if you have this kind of stuff happening, a lot of times you're better off to just, you know, go to each set of cover just with the worm and bypass all of that other nonsense. And just fish straight with the worm. Your backup bait, turn it into your main bait. Go around covering spots where you know that worm should work. Backup bait strikes again, bigger fish. Whoa, right at the boat. That's a big bass. Right at the boat. That is a nice one. Jeez. That's a 2-pounder maybe. I saw that fish come up after it. It's only a pound and a half maybe. But that sucker, it's one of those where I seen the color of the fish coming for. I'm like, whoa. Wow. Get in this boat. You. Beautiful bass you. I think we're going to stick with white maybe. I may still try the other one, but this color here. There we go. I couldn't get him unhooked for a minute. That little bait right there, that's that little Malvos from AliExpress. It's the biggest one you can get from them, but it's smaller than most of the Keytechs. It's like the 3-inch Keytech maybe. Awesome bass. All right, boys and girls, what do you think? You want to weigh it? There we go. Got right in there that side that the wind's blowing on. Oh, no. No, you didn't. Shake off my heavy action rod. There we go. Another one. Oh boy. Don't you come off. Get in here. Get out of there. When you want them to come off, the crazy ones, they're there forever. The crazies. Well, this one comes to life right over here. See? He's a good one. There we go. Oh my goodness, the backup bait works, but it is not bigger, smaller this time around. But still put a number in. Another number in the boat. Good looking little bass. Little chunk. Let's go. One more time before I'm gonna have to put on my long sleeve shirt. Getting a little toasty out here, and my shoes back on. My feet are getting a little toasty too. Let's do that. Let's do it. All right, I'm out of here. You might say, I know what a woman feels like now. I got all dressed up, no place to go. I'm out of footage, the bite. We got clear skies, bite's about shut off. I'm gonna try to catch you guys one more bass though before we get out of here. So last cast, last bass, buckle up, hang on. We're out of here, but I would like to thank you guys for sticking along and watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button down below. Click, clickety click. Go check out, if you haven't, and subscribe to the channel, Bass and Bonsai. I'm doing bonsai. I'm doing bass right now. Last 2 years, actually. Sorry, bonsai guys. I've been doing strictly bass. Trying to get my motivation, my mojo back for the bonsai. I will be doing that again. That's why I'm not changing the name. It's still Bass and Bonsai. Gonna be Bass and Bonsai. Even got my own little logo going now, thanks to Jennifer, and then thanks to my son for making this. Jennifer made me a shirt, and that's where we went with it. I know a lot of guys don't like the font, but it's one of the only ones out there you see like that. That's why I like it. Got the catchy little fish with the hook and the bonsai tree in the middle. See it? Good. Because that's bass and bonsai. That for sure sticking. May change the font a little, may not. May change the size. Also, yeah, comment below what you guys think. I'm thinking of making the actual decal emblem bigger and then the letters a little smaller and changing that a little bit, but that's what we're going with. Also, comment below what you guys think. I'm throwing the chatterbaits we've been throwing today and the backup bait. I'm gonna catch a fish, I promise you, before I get out of here. Which bait do you think it'll be? Will it be number 1, the jackhammer 3/8 ounce? Will it be number 2, the jackhammer 1/2 ounce in that color? Or what do you think? I'll be honest, I'm putting my money on this guy right here. I'm gonna throw the white one, then the black and green, and then as a last resort, I'm gonna throw that backup bait right through this section. See this little cutout? You're gonna see the last bass and then I'm gone, okay? So buckle up one last time and hang on. Boys and girls, I can't seem to get this last fish in the boat. You guys had your bets on those 3, none of those worked, so I'm just throwing the worm real quick. And I've mentioned it, I think I might throw old Dr. Frankenstein. There we go. There it is. Oh my goodness. That took about 10 minutes or more, maybe 15. There he is. Showstopper extraordinaire. Nice little, no longer than the bait, a little bass. All right, get out of here. I'm leaving. I'm gone. I'm leaving. Last cast, that was it. Last cast was a blast. Hasta la vista. Would you look at that? We got like 2 minutes of space left for footage. Oh boy, I'm never gonna leave. Oh my goodness. I've got a problem. It does feel real nice. I got out in the wind, it actually feels nice, but I probably should go. Spend some time with the kids, you know. Ooh, unless I catch a big bass. You know what I'm saying? Then it's on, like Donkey Kong. I'm done until I'm not done. I just threw over here. I was like seriously ready to leave. And I got a good sized bass. Oh, last cast, baby. Get in before the footage runs out. Medium heavy rod. That is what I was looking for all the way over there for like 20 minutes. I literally just caught that little bass, was headed over to the truck, cast out that way, and caught this whopper. Mwah. Whew. Okay, now we can do a proper send-off ending. Let's see. Take your bets. Is this bass going to jump? Let's see. I think we got a jumper. I think we've got a jumper. Oh, yes! Look at you. I love you. I love that fish. You see that little backflip? Wow! That was awesome. That's why we fish, why we act like a moron out in the middle of nowhere in the water. Because we're making YouTube videos. Let's go for real this time. Footage is about done.